not only do we contain multitudes, but astrology contains multitudes, especially in the years after, let's say, 1985, when astrologers discovered traditional astrology through the duplication of William Lilly's work. And so what happened was we had certain paradigms, like the more Jungian psychological approach, the more predictive approach. And then we just added to that all of this stuff from the past. And it's taken a while to sift through. And so, it was sort of a messy time in a lot of ways.
A lot of it was trying to sift through the language
Sift through the
because,
sift through the ideas and what are the
yeah,
assumptions behind the astrology as it was practiced in like 250 of the Common Era and like now. And how did the Babylonians consider? And what were they using astrology for?
and some astrologers got caught by the vocabulary. And you see that where they always want to use the Greek word or the fancy terms, except when you scratch a little, you discover it's really pretty basic. And the main thing I think where it really, I mean, I jumped on it because I wasn't satisfied with the modern astrology. And it always felt like something was missing. That the Hellenistic, the structure and the organization and the deep thought that was put into it. And realizing, especially, going camping and going, oh, yeah, look at how my body is completely responding differently as the sun goes down, as the sun comes up. The and suddenly getting an understanding on a body level of the complete obsession with night and day that you see in a lot of the early astrology. And why? Because it makes complete sense, but we've hidden away the day or the night rather. So you have, there's some jumps we have to make as modern people where we have to suddenly go back into our bodies, into the actual core of what it means to interact with another person, where we tend to, especially with modern media and social media, we tend to put on all these other layers in front of us so that we're not experiencing directly as much.